Alpha. So still on the wireless charging matter, if you say I will let you rest, I not let you rest too. I will never let you rest. Anyways, you know, instead of you to the think say, okay, I show you one wireless charger now, I get to put the phone go lie down. Now imagine say you dey do live and you want to charge your phone, your battery don low, you just want charge your phone sharply because you no wan miss out for one or two things wey you dey do. Now you no fit sleep your phone and dey do live, e no make sense. So I don bring another wireless charger for you. This one na 3-in-1. Listen, you charge your phone, you charge your AirPod, you charge your smartwatch or Apple Watch. Everything wireless. Technology, they no fit kill us. Anyway, my unbox am sharply, no time to waste. What they give us, they give us pattern. Paperwork as usual. So just the box, paperwork. I don't know whether you want to read that more. You want read. You know, say we be fish when not learn how to swim. As we enter water, we dey swim. So we don't need all this one. You too don't need them. I'm going to tell you one or two. You need to read manual. So it come with cord. Then it come with the wireless charger. Hey. Wire don't too much. Very soon now, you know, see for abroad, we both look at say wire they cost wahala. They just hide all the wire where they supply electric, they use and pass underground. So the one that say where the light they, how light till the day where wire not pass up because wire too much. Now phone don't come to charging cord, this, everything too much. So now time for wireless. You need to see Bluetooth, mobile phone, telephone without wire, wireless. Before telephone get wire, they limit things. Now once they bring mobile phone, wireless. Phone get charging cord, go they plug up and down. And once they bring wireless charger, wireless. Everything wireless. To send money, wireless. You want to go market now, wireless because you go order food, they go bring account your house, wireless. So the world is moving. Oh, if you not move ahead, they go leave you behind. So more not waste time. Okay. Or yo. See the positioning. So imagine say you dey go live with your normal TikTok live. You don't understand. Mo connect this guy. Wireless not mean say something not go connect the thing. No. Not say na electric one dey flow for air. So you get to connect am to a cord to power supply first. This gadget not actually bad. The look, yeah, if you put your AirPod, you know, you go charge, you put your phone for here, you put your wristwatch, hang am for there, that kind of thing. But ma plug am first. Or yo. Now you need to show any indication whether the thing dey on, which is not very nice. Attention, must use 9 volts 2A adapter. Okay. I wonder why you need to show any indication. Anyways, normally if you do your live, if you plug put your AirPod for there, put your phone too. Oh, the light don dey show now, so e dey indicate say e dey charge. So imagine say you dey do your live. Do your TikTok live. While you do your live, you dey, do one or two things, the phone dey charge. Hello, my name is Subruke. Welcome to my TikTok live. I can tell you one or two things on how to get things done. In the first place, I want you to go and click the like button. Tap your screen. Tap. Okay, go to my number 1 follower. Follow that person. Go to the number 2. Follow the person. Tap. So you don't see them now. You dey tell people when they tap while your phone dey charge. Your phone. You know they wonder why all those guys when they TikTok, their battery need dey low. Wireless charger. You use your sense. You go dey wonder say this person don dey live for 6 hours, 7 hours. They no dey comot there. Wireless charger. They go even get airpod, they go put airpod. You dey say, their battery no dey weak. Na abroad they dey. Wireless charger. So for you to follow up wireless charger, you need to follow up wireless things. So to review the product not actually bad, you can actually hang your watch. You go charge too. Voila. Hey. Okay. My do am make you see am well. Voila be like bicycle. Better style. Oh. Voila. Everything don't make sense now. So you just tell people, well, welcome to my TikTok live. Today I'm going to be talking about relationship and why you should be this, why you should be that, why you shouldn't be this. Follow my number one. Tap your screen, like, share the live, like the button. Follow this number two. Follow my number two. Follow. So now this wireless charger now they use. So they tell people say follow my number one, follow my number two. So for you to follow up, you need to get this kind of wireless charger. They charge all your gadget at the same time. You don't understand. Just see I'm now. So not be say I not tell you. I dey give you updates now. So follow up. You dey do TikTok. You need this one, make you take the follow up. You don't understand. So I'll talk to you for the next video. I hear this video for end. Don't end. If you go now. If you go watch my other video. Later things. Alright now. Me, I just dey catch my phone and as I dey show you one, you see all this product now. You see that lamp now, I don position now for there. This one now, I got position. And when I dey work, everything go dey go well. I go easily dey pick my phone. And this place get adjustment too. If you adjust am, make e dey slant. Get 3 different adjustment stage. So if you adjust your phone, no, sorry, 2. So if you adjust your phone, like go dey charge, you dey do it, you dey do. You don't understand. I actually recommend this product. It's a good product. It's actually good for flexibility and things like that. So I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.